Y'all, today's gonna be like the shortest vlog on the planet. Me and my husband snuck and had some McDonald's, so the only way the kids know is if they watch my video. I'm a little inebriated. We probably gonna cook.
Damn birds and shit on my car. I just watched this motherfucker.
I'm recording, love.
Oh shit, well. Fucking birds. Cause I parked under the tree at work and shit, man.
No. So this gonna be like the shortest vlog ever because I drank some wine and I'm trying to sober up.
She drank some wine and she's feeling fine.
Yes. So we leaving McDonald's.
She drank some
now.
wine, she feeling fine, and it's Mr. Nasty.
This is Windsor Castle.
We interrupt this broadcast to bring you a special news.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special news. We interrupt this program to bring you...
I gotta damn, that threw me off. I'll catch y'all later. Shit. So I'm still relaxing and drinking more wine. I decided to stop selling my beer candles and start using them as glasses. Excuse you? Are you talking trash? You little butt. They be your old kids. Anyway. Hubby is cooking today. And I'm just hanging out with my girls.
Look at Stitch, guys. Stitch Life.
Stitch Life.
Stitch Life.
Oh my, that's amazing. Oh my goodness. It's the best.
Everybody, look at Stitch Life.
Okay, so yeah, I thought I was gonna slow down and drink it, but it's Sunday, it's a relaxing day. Hubby's cooking, he making some lamb. We just chilling today. We're getting prepared for Wednesday. We gotta pick up the car about 1 o'clock. So me and my husband's gonna leave about 12. The kids probably will still be in school.
You just missed it. It was just there, kitty. Where's the buddy?
And Wednesday we pick up the rental, and then we go to Not Scary Farm Wednesday. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. It's gonna be a bit of a plot twist for y'all once y'all see that vlog for that day. But I'm almost done with Vlogtober. I'm so glad because it's been the struggle trying to keep up with these videos. Y'all let me know in the comments how y'all been liking this Vlogtober, and what y'all think about maybe like weekly vlogs or something.
Move it.
Yeah, so it's smelling good in there. Let's go see what my husband's cooking.